Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove this handle, the plastic is actually separated. There's a seam here. Use these plastic prying tools. You can get these from 1AAuto.com. I'm going to start on one side, get it started, get towards the middle here, pry down on it. Give a good sharp pull it right out. There are two 7mm screws on either side that need to be removed. Use a 7mm socket and a driver handle and remove them. I'm gonna hold on to this handle so it doesn't fall. There we go. Now push the handle up into place and carefully guide this long self-tapping screw up there. Get it started. Tighten it up. The same for the other one. Push this trim back in place. Start it over here, line up those three openings there. Just push it right up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.